Hey, old web traveler, I think it's time for me to open this set. And it's kind of old one. It's an S5M06. This one is an online version, meaning you can get an XR, which is the rarest card in this set specifically. These boxes are cute, but I don't care. It's hype for me to see the set that I skipped. I can already see we got a first hit. All right. Damn, that's a small girl with a large gun. We got a PTR. Why it's not last? What the fuck happened here? Oh, I forget. Online version has only 4 cards. All right. Awesome, I guess. I'm not that hype about PTR because I don't like this design very much, but it's also not the character that I know of. Well, most of the R cards I've already seen because, you know, if you open a few boxes, you got a story, or if you knew, you maybe don't know. Alright. Cool. SSR, let's go. Sure, here, let's go. They make a new set, but in that set, they add like the low rarity cards, like R, for example, like this one. They add that to the new box from a previous set before that. For the people who missed the set before, it's very cool, because like you get actually more new cards. But for people like me, who is opening almost every set, I missed a few, and probably gonna miss a few in the future. I've already seen all of this. Probably in M07. I don't know if I opened that, but I know all of these cards. Oh, nice, SSR. Maybe I even opened this set before, but not the online version. I don't remember, man. I don't remember. But let's see what we end up this. But the most R's are familiar for me. I've already seen them. I already know them. That's Kaon, I think. Is it Kaon? Would it say so? No, that's Love Leaf. Never mind. Close enough, right? No, Kaon is better. I think. I haven't watched it. I'm gonna watch Kaon and I'm not gonna watch Love Leaf. Those chicks, alright, first double SSR, well that sucks. That happened quite quickly. See, I'm not remembering those chicos, but I might, alright, second double. Boring, where's my XR at? Come on, gimme. Ooh, that's a nice SR. I mean SSR, my bad. Very cool one. Yeah, I remember now. I opened the next 5v1 box, and that's the reason why I know most of the cards. But I don't think I have the SSRs, although I seen them somewhere. It's probably... Oh, let's go! That's a neat one. Demon Slayer. Very awesome art style. Also not character that you see a lot of, so that's cool. So I've seen SSRs probably, you know, at the website when I looked at which cards are to get here. Is this Kaon? I don't fucking know, man. But that's just, you know, I never opened this set, and getting all of this that I already got, it feels a little bit blank. How many SSR doubles can I get? Like, bruh, there are a few in the set. What you doing? Alright. We have an MR, which is, you know, that's a good rarity to get. And we have an MR that I really love to see. I can't remember sword in her mouth, man, but it's okay. She can put everything in her mouth if she wants to, because she's 600 years of vampire. It's okay. It's okay to smash this girl. Oh god, why? This vampire. I meant vampire. It's facts, guys. She's 600 years old. That's alright. She just haven't sucked a bit for a while. That's why she's so small. That's like evolution, but then backwards. Alright, I'm gonna stop this now. Ooh, I can also SRs. What the fuck? I remember those SRs. Maybe it's just that they did it in 2 sets. I don't know, man. But I can't remember this one. But sure, SR. Okay, spooky ghosts there. No idea who that is, but looks nice. Cool. Okay, I think we might get 1 hit left, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the... why are they so sticky? Hey, that's Kaon, 100%. If that's not a Kaon, then I'm like stupid. Which I am, but for a different reason. Like you have a normal 5v1 box, you'll get more cards in the pack. meaning you also get more doubles. That's a spicy one. I love this one. Love to see it. Love to see it. No particular reason at all, but just looks great. Looks great. I don't have room to display it. It's gonna get there. Oh yeah, you get free hits in 5v1 box, which is normal. And I don't remember anymore if the online version, which is just like a smaller version of the 5v1 box that you can get, but with added rarity of XR, if this one also contains free hit slots, especially the old one. Because sure, cool. Because that is the old one, and by old one I mean they tweaked a few things with the new sets, so the shit has been changed. All right, this card, I'm gonna probably blur it. I'm not taking any chances. A double, because if you look hard enough, you can see you can get hard enough. You know. Speaking of getting hard, damn son. I really love the birds there. You don't see them, because I know where you're looking at. I'm the same. It's no shame in that, brother. But just, you know, the birds were very nice. And, oh, okay. Why I'm getting so much SSR doubles? Wait, this is the last pack? And before that, I'm gonna tell you how many SSR are in this set. Fucking 27 SSRs, and I have how many doubles? Freaking 5 doubles. That could have been like any new cards. There are very cool cards in this set. How unlucky am I? If that's a double, I'm gonna shit my pants. I went straight to it, because I don't want to shit my pants. Oh, thank God that's not a double. Thank you. So 2 hit slots. There's that. No XR card, sadly. But very cool MR, where I'm very happy with. So guys, thank you for watching. And if you want to support me, subscribe for more videos to come. I love you all. With this beautiful heart, see you in another one, Web Traveler.